have the O-Cedar double bucket mop. So this is the double bucket, and then you of course have the pedal on this side to go ahead and sort of wring out the mop. I was sent a bunch, all of these replacement heads. Now, even though these are machine washable, after some time, you know, it just collects that dust and you want to go ahead and sort of change it. So a few of the mop heads. So as you can see, it's just a replacement one. You still get the same sort of mop head, and one of them does come with the attachment for the actual mop, just in case something goes wrong with your current one. You don't need to use this. So how you actually use it. All right, so this is how you actually replace these mop heads. You're going to want to put it on the ground. You're going to put your 2 feet on just to keep it steady, and then pull up. This is going to detach from the actual mop head. As you can see, it detached from the actual mop head. Then you can bring in your new one. You want to make sure that the gray part is facing up. Rest it down, and then simply line it up. And you want to hear clicks. The clicks mean that it's like in place, as you can see like that, and you're good to go.